नमस्कार. मी संजय ठाकरे, गणित शिक्षक, जनता विद्यालय धाबा, कोंडाया महाराज, तालुका गोंडपिंपरी, जिल्हा चंद्रपूर. In mathematics first means algebra, the third chapter is arithmetic progression. Now problem set 3, question 1 MCQ. The sequence -10, -6, -2 and 2 is, answer is B. Then second, first four terms of an AP are minus, answer is C, -2, -4, -6, -8. Then third, what is the sum of the first 30 natural numbers? Answer is B, 465. Then fourth, for an given AP, T1 is equal to 4, D is equal to -4, then A is equal to, answer is D, 28. Then number 5, for an given AP, A is equal to 3.5, D is equal to 0, N is equal to 101, then Tn is equal to, answer is B, 3.5. Then 6, in an AP, first two terms are -3, 4, then 21st term is, answer is C, 137. Then 7, if for any AP D is equal to 5, then T11 minus T13 is equal to, answer is C, 25. Sum of first 5 multiple of 3 is, answer is A, 45. Then 9th, 15, 10, 5. In this AP, sum of the first 10 terms is, answer is A, -75. Then 10, in an AP, first term is 1 and the last term is 20. The sum of the all terms is, answer is B, 38. Now question 2, find the fourth term from the end in an AP, -11, -8, -5, dash 49. Now answer. Now here -11, -8, -5, dash 49 is an arithmetic progression, means AP. Now here first term T1 means A is equal to -11. Then common difference, that is D is equal to, now here -8 minus -5 minus -8, which is equal to -5 plus 8, which is equal to 3. Now here Tn is also given, means Tn, which is equal to 49. Now we know the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula. Now putting values, we get, now Tn means here 49, which is equal to A means -11, then plus n means here n is not given, means only n, then -1 into D means here 3 into 3. Now solving, we get 49 is equal to -11, then plus 3 into n means 3n, then minus here 1, 3 1s are 3. Now solving, we get, now here 49 is equal to minus 11 3n, then minus 11 minus 3 means minus 14, and hence 3n is equal to minus 14 इकडे घेऊन गेलो आपण तर 49 then plus 14, and hence 3n is equal to 63, and hence n is equal to 63 upon 3, which, and hence n is equal to dividing by 3, 3 to the 6, 3 1 the 3 means 21. Now here value of n means total terms in AP are 21. Now we have fourth term. We have to find the fourth term. The fourth term which is equal to 20 minus 3 term. Now we have to find 21 minus 3 means here 18th term. We have to find out 18th term. Now here we know the formula. Here Tn means T18 is equal to A. A means, or write A plus n minus 1 into D. Now here T18 is equal to A. A means minus 11, then plus, now here n means 18 minus 1 into D means 3. Now solving we get which is equal to minus 11, then plus 18 minus 1 means 17 into 3, which is equal to minus 11 plus 17 3 is 51, and hence we can write here T18 is equal to minus 11 plus 51 means 40. Now T18 is 14, and hence we can write here, and hence the fourth term from the end in an AP is equal to 40. This is the answer. Then third example. Now third example is given here. In an AP the 10th term is 46. Sum of the 5th and 7th term is 52. Find the AP. Now we have to find out AP for this. Now here we know that in AP, in an AP, now in this AP 10th term is 46, means T10 is equal to 46 is given, that is given in example. Now we know the formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now putting values we get, now here Tn means T10 is equal to, now here A plus n means 10 minus 1 into D. D is not given, which is equal to D. Now solving we get, now we know that T10 is 46, means 46 is equal to A, then plus 10 minus 1 means 9 into D, 9 D, and hence A plus 9D is equal to 46. Suppose this is equation 1. Then now the sum of fifth and seventh term, sum of fifth and seventh term is 52, which is given in example. Now sum this means we have to find out T phi, then plus T7 is equal to 52. Then now putting values, then we get, now here T phi, now T phi means A plus n, n means phi minus 1 into D. Now D is also not given, means D, this is T phi. Then T7, T7 means A plus value of n, n means 7 minus 1 into D, which is equal to 52. And hence solving we get, now A plus 5 plus 1 means 4 into D, means 4D, then plus A plus 7 minus 1 means 6 into D, means 6D is equal to 52. And hence A plus A means 2A, then plus 4D plus 6D means 10D is equal to 52. Now dividing by 2, then we get A plus divided by 2 here means 5D is equal to, now divide to this, means 26. This is equation number 2. Now on solving equation 1 and 2, then we get, now equation 1 is here A means we can subtract, means equation 1 minus equation 2 implies or gives, means A plus 9D is equal to 46, then minus A plus 5D is equal to 26. Now here minus minus minus, now A minus A will get cancelled, then 9 minus 5 means 4D, which is equal to 6 minus 6 means 0, 4 minus 2 means 2. Now here 4D is equal to 20, and hence we can write here or find D is equal to 20 upon 4, and hence D is equal to 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, means D is equal to here 5. Now here value of D is 5. Now putting this value in equation 1 or 2, here I am putting in equation 2, then we get second equation is A plus phi D, phi into D means also phi, which is equal to 26, and hence a plus 5 5s are 25 is equal to 26, and hence a is equal to 26 minus 25, and hence here a is equal to 1. a ची व्हॅल्यू या ठिकाणी आपण 1 फाइंड करू शकलो. नाउ we know the value of a and d. Now we know a is equal to here 1 and d is equal to 5. Then we can find the next now here a is equal to, we have to find the AP, means first term is a and common difference d is equal to 5, means here we know T1 is equal to, T1 means a, which is equal to 1. Now T2 is equal to a plus d, which is equal to, a means 1 plus d means 5, which is equal to 6. Then T3 is equal to a plus 2d or T2 plus d पण करता येईल आपल्याला, a plus 2d is equal to, a means 1 plus 2 into 5, which is equal to 1 plus 10 means 11. Then T4 is equal to a plus 3d, which is equal to, a means 1 plus 3 into d means 5, which is equal to 1 plus 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1 means 16, like this. And hence we can write the required AP is equal to, now T1 means 1, then T2 is 6, T3 is 11, and T4 is 16 dash dash dash, like this. This is AP. Then fourth example. Now in fourth example, the AP in which fourth term is minus 15 and ninth term is minus 30, find the sum of the first 10 numbers. 10 नंबरची सम या ठिकाणी आपल्याला लिहायची आहे. Now here fourth term is given, means in AP T4 is minus 15, then T9 is also given, that is minus 30 is given, and hence we can write, or we know the formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is formula. Now putting the values, means the T4, now T4 is equal to a plus, here n means 4 minus 1 into d, and hence putting values, now T4 means minus 15 is equal to a plus 4 minus 1 means 3, 3 into d means 3d, and hence we can write a plus 3d is equal to minus 15. Suppose this is equation 1. Similarly, we can find T9. T9 is equal to A plus n means 9 minus 1 into D. We know that T9 means minus 30 is equal to A plus 9 minus 1 means 8 into D, and hence A plus 8D is equal to minus 30. This is equation number 2. Now on solving, we get ह्या व्हॅल्यूज आपल्याला सॉल्व करून घ्यायचे आहे. या ठिकाणी सॉल्व करताना ए अँड हिअर ऑल्सो ए या ठिकाणी सबस्ट्रॅक्ट जर आपण केलं तर आपल्याला आन्सर मिळून जाईल. मीन्स इक्वेशन 1 मायनस इक्वेशन 2 gives. Now equation 1 is a plus 3d is equal to minus 15, and second equation is a plus 8d is equal to minus 30. सबस्ट्रॅक्ट करायचं आहे म्हणजे याचं साइन आणि मायनस आहे तर ते प्लस होऊन जाईल. A minus A get cancelled, then 3 minus 8 means minus 5D is equal to, now greater number is plus and this is smaller number, 30 minus 15 means here 15, and hence D is equal to here 15 divided by minus 5. 5 1 जा 5, 5 3 जा 15, and hence we can write value D is equal to now minus, and this is 3, D is equal to minus 3. या ठिकाणी D ची व्हॅल्यू आपण -3 फाइंड करू शकलो. नाउ पुटिंग this value in equation 1 2 पैकी कुठेही आपल्याला ठेवता येईल. जसं पुटिंग इन इक्वेशन 1 इक्वेशन जे आहे तिथे आपण पुट करणार आहोत. इक्वेशन 1 इज a plus 3d 3 into d. Now d is here minus 3 which is equal to minus 15, and hence a then plus into minus means minus 3 3 जा 9 is equal to minus 15, and hence A is equal to minus 15 minus 9 ला आपण पलीकडे घेऊन जात आहोत राईट साईडला मीन्स प्लस होईल plus 9, and hence we can write here A is equal to minus 15 plus 9 means minus 6. Value of A is minus 6. या ठिकाणी ए ची व्हॅल्यू -6 आपण काढू शकलो. मग या ठिकाणी वी नो नाउ हिअर ए इज इक्वल टू -6 and D is equal to -3. Sn is equal to Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula. Now we know Sn means we have to find 10 terms. Now here we have to find 10 terms, means T10 is equal to Sn. Sum means yes. Sn means S10 is equal to question mark. Now Sn means S10 is equal to n means 10 divided by 2 into 2a 2 into, Now a means minus 6, then plus n minus 1. Now here n means 10 minus 1 into d. D means here minus 3, bracket complete, which is equal to 10 by 2 means 5 into bracket, here 2 into minus 6 means minus 6 to the 12, then here plus 10 minus 1 means 9, then into minus means minus 9 3 the 27, which is equal to 5 into minus 12, then minus 27 means minus 3 9 minus 39, and hence which is equal to minus, we have to find minus 5 9 the 45 means 5 carry 4, 5 3 the 15 plus 4 19, and hence here S10 is equal to minus 195, and hence now we can write the answer. Find the sum of the first 10 numbers means the sum of, hence the sum of first 10 numbers is equal to minus 195 is the answer. This is the answer. Then fifth example is two APs are given 9 7 5 dash 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 and 24 21 18 dash 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 like this. Now if nth term of both the progressions are equal, then find the value of n and nth term. या ठिकाणी ज्या एपीज आहे, टू एपीज, त्याची जे nth टर्म्स आहे, n टर्म ऑफ बोथ प्रोग्रेशन आर इक्वल, n टर्म जी आहे ती इक्वल आहे असं सांगितलं आहे, आणि त्याच्यावरून वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ n and m term also. Now here first term, that is 9 7 5 is an AP. He AP है, and hence here A is equal to first term is 9 and D, common difference D is equal to 7 minus 9 means minus 2, 7 minus 9 which is equal to minus 2. Now we know A is equal to 9 and D is equal to minus 2 अशा प्रकारे आपण फाइंड करू शकलो. Now we know the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now putting value is which is equal to A means 9, then plus n minus 1 into D. Here D is minus 2, and hence we can find Tn is equal to, now here 9 then minus 2 into n means minus 2n, then minus minus plus 2 ones are 2, and hence here Tn is equal to here 9 plus 2 means 11 minus 2n. Now suppose this is 1. Now the second AP, that is 24, 21, 18 dash 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 is also is an AP. AP जर आहे तर here A is equal to first term means 24, and here D is equal to 21 minus 24 which is equal to also minus 3. या ठिकाणी D ची व्हॅल्यू minus 3 आहे. Now we know the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now which is equal to, putting values here, A means 24, then plus n minus 1 into D means minus 3, which is equal to 24, then minus 3 into n means 3n, minus minus plus 3 ones are 3, and hence here Tn is equal to 24 plus 3 means 27, then minus 3n. Suppose this is number 2. But in example, both the progressions, nth term of both progression are equal, but nth term means Tn of both are equal. दोन्ही जर इक्वल जर असेल, then we can write here 11 minus 2n is equal to 27 minus 3n from 1 and 2. 1 and 2 मध्ये आपण ते ह्या व्हॅल्यूज काढलेल्या आहे. नाउ minus 3n आहे ते आपण या साईडला घेऊ, मीन्स प्लस 3n होईल. देन minus 2n इज इक्वल टू हे 27, देन 11 आपण इकडे घेऊन आलो तर मायनस होईल 11, and hence 3n minus 2n means n is equal to 27 minus 11 means 16, means value of n is equal to 16. या ठिकाणी n ची व्हॅल्यू आपण 16 काढू शकलो. त्याच्यानंतर take the first AP. Now in 975, in this AP we know the Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, and hence we have this, we have to find out here value of n is equal to 16, means we can find Tn, n means 16, means T16 is equal to, now A is equal to Now here a is equal to, in this AP, 9, then plus n means here 16, then minus 1 into d. D is, for this d is minus 2. Now on solving we get which is equal to, here this 9, then plus into minus means minus, 16 minus 1 means 15, then into 2, which is equal to 9, then minus 15 to the 30, which is equal to 9 minus 30 means minus 21, means T16 is equal to minus 21, and hence now we can write the answer, and hence we can write the value of n is equal to 16, and nth term is equal to minus 21. This is the answer. Thank you from Sanjay Thakare.